Toblerone, excuse me. If weekend brunch is high on your priority list, listen up, because we're about to show you just how to pimp your pancakes.
Here with some tricks is the healthy chef, Teresa Cutter. Hello,
Hey, Teresa.
Hello. I love the sound of this, Dutch baby pancake. So how's this different to normal pancakes?
Well, it's an embellished, beautiful European-style pancake that's baked in the oven. So they're not baked on the stove, and it's in between a pancake or a crepe and a Yorkshire pudding. Because when it comes out of the oven, it puffs up like 3 times the size of this.
That looks fantastic.
Oh, but imagine that coming out of the oven. It was this high this morning, and it was beautiful.
Okay.
It was fantastic.
So a couple of parts to this. The apples, obviously, and then the batter, importantly. So where do we start?
A really, really simple batter. It's pretty much just half a cup of milk, 3 eggs in a mixing bowl.
Will that make one about this size or not?
No, I doubled that one for this size.
Right.
But this will make a bit of a smaller 20-centimetre pan. A little pinch of salt. Whiskey.
Oh, whiskey. I'm in.
So we can double the mixture if we wanted to?
You could.
Yeah.
That's what I've done. I've got half a cup of spelt flour. So it's basically equal quantities of milk to spelt flour, or to any flour, like any flour you want.
Yeah.
You can even use gluten-free flour, and it works fantastically.
We guess
you're
everyone's got
gluten
oven-safe stuff, but what if you don't have oven-safe things? What else can you cook it in?
Oh, okay. I've made them in little muffin tins as well, which is fantastic. And they're like little mini Yorkshire puddings filled with apples.
Idea.
Okay.
Amazing.
But today you're doing it in the...
Today I'm just doing it in pans. You can do them in your non-stick pans. You can do them in cast iron pans. You can do them in muffin tins. But so long as you're heating up the muffin, the actual tin on top of the stove first.
Yeah.
So you've got your mix done. So that's already done.
Yeah, great.
I just put it there so it doesn't fall over.
Yeah.
Okay, now I've got about 3 apples here. You've got 2 or 3 apples based on the size of your pan. So what you want to do is you want to get a nice generous knob of butter and a little bit of maple. And
maple syrup?
Just a little splash of maple. You can use vanilla. And what I'm doing is I'm cooking off the apples. So it's really important to make them really nice and soft and caramelised. This is a secret because a lot of people don't cook their apples enough. And so by the time you cook the pancake, it comes out of the oven.
How long does it take to make them right?
What, the apples? Oh,
Yeah.
I'd say about 10 minutes, 10, 15.
Okay.
And so you've thinly sliced the apple and you're peeling the apple?
Peel the apple and now in a hot pan. Now the pan's got to be hot and make sure your oven's turned up to 220 degrees.
Right.
So it's got to be a massively hot oven.
Okay.
So you've got that. You're pouring in. Here's some pancake batter I made earlier.
Right.
Okay, so it's a little bit smoother.
Yeah.
So
this is all happening on the stove top.
all happening on the stove
Yeah.
top. So that goes straight into an extremely hot oven.
Yeah.
You wait about 15 minutes, bakes in about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to put that aside.
Yeah.
I'm going to open the oven.
Yeah.
Now, for everyone at home freaking out, that's not you haven't put a steel pan in a microwave. It looks like it's an oven, actually.
It's an oven. It's my little portable oven.
Okay.
And with my special hands, removing away the hot pancake.
This is how it will come out.
Oh, look, it comes out 3 times higher than this, guys.
Yeah.
This morning when I took this out, it was just massively high. It was beautifully.
And this is for the recipe we're giving. This is the size it will make. Which
This is
looks
the
like
size.
About 4 small portions or 3 portions.
You know, it depends how hungry you are. Look, it's a nice one when you're entertaining, when you've got brunch with
the
friends.
rustic look. It looks
It's a rustic look. You put it on the thing, and you put it on the serving table, and you embellish it with a little bit of, you've got some beautiful Greek yogurt here.
As you embellish, we're going to talk about your book, Earth to Table, which is a beautiful book. It's just one of the recipes.
It's from the book, and there's 20% off today, so I'm going to tell you that as well.
That's a good thing to know.
A morning show special. But the book is full of really terrific recipes, and this one's in it.
It's fantastic. Yeah, that's in the book. It's my plant-based book. I've got other books as well, but it's fantastic. It's easy to make. Fantastic when you're entertaining.
I'm not sure how to taste it. Do I cut it?
How about you take one piece out first?
Look, I
don't know, Kylie. We're running out of time, and I'm trying to.
You can eat it. The best thing is you've got to eat it straight from the oven.
Straight from the oven?
Straight from the oven when it's all hot and steaming hot.
And they're called Dutch baby pancakes. Beautiful.
Do you know that the little triangle chocolate with the Swiss Alps on it?
The Toblerones.
Toblerone, thank you. You can find the full recipe.
I think say it again.
Toblerone.
Thank you. You can find the full recipe over.
Toblerone.
I don't think it was.
I think so.
And plenty more delicious ideas in Teresa's book, Earth to Table, according to Kylie. Earth to Table. Yum.
Soon for you.